If you don't like surprises but still want to understand thyroid issues, then watch this. Cretinism, or congenital hypothyroidism, occurs when the thyroid gland produces insufficient amounts of thyroid hormone from birth or early infancy. This condition isn't related to hyperthyroidism. Instead, it's all about too little thyroid hormone. The thyroid gland might be underdeveloped, absent, or just not functional enough to produce the necessary thyroxine. Symptoms can include stunted growth, intellectual disability, coarse facial features, and delayed bone maturation. Essentially, it affects both physical and mental development. So, what's behind this? Causes can range from genetic factors to iodine deficiency during pregnancy or issues with the thyroid gland's development. But here's the good news. Early diagnosis and treatment with thyroid hormone replacement, like levothyroxine, can prevent most of the severe consequences. Remember, early intervention is key. The sooner it's detected and treated, the better the outcomes. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more medical insights.